Okay, so this is next in our series of videos. We've had a bit of a break. How to upgrade the 2005 Sport to the 2010 front end. And we're just going to quickly go through the wiring now. So on the front end, this is the right hand front corner. You've got this plug here, which is the headlight. And it's exactly the same on the Sport, the 2005 and the 2010 headlight connector is exactly the same. So there's nothing, no new connectors you need there. And these other two connectors, which we've actually got something plugged into, let me just take those out a second. Let me pass the camera over to Tom. Grab that, Tom. And let's have a... Okay, so we've just been playing with it. So what you'll have, when you've taken your front bumper off, which is in our other video, you'll have these two connectors. Now this one here, which is 8-way, nominally, they're not all populated, but that's an 8-way connector. That's your parking sensor connector. Okay, this connector here, which is nominally 4-way, that's your fog lights. Okay, now if you've got an SE model and it doesn't have fog lights, you actually still have this connector. I mean, you can actually put the fog lights on. It just doesn't have the loom in the bumper, so that's something to look at if you've got an SE and want to upgrade. Now if we zip over here to the... So this is the bumper we took off in the earlier video. So you'll see you've got your two connectors there. This is the 2005, ready to plug on. Okay, so again you've got your fog light and your parking sensor loom. Now you can't reuse this for several reasons. Mainly, the main reason is the parking sensors. In the 2010 bumper, it takes later parking sensors. Now this is the early 2005. Okay, so if you undo this connector, and these pop out, what I'll do is I'll just pop one of these out and show you. I can wriggle him out. There's a couple of clips. There's little clips here to pull him out. So this is a 2005 sensor I've got in my hand here. And what I'll do is I'll compare that. These are the 2010 sensors you need. Okay, now you can see that when they mount in the bumper, they're physically a different size. The size of them, the hole in the bumper is different. And also the mounts are different. These just clip into the 2010. And the other problem you've got is the connectors are way different. Okay, so basically you need a new loom. Okay, so the loom we supply is this loom here. Okay, and I'll show you how this fits. So basically you've got your two connections here, and these just mate exactly into your 2005. So there's no wire cutting involved. And then we just push those in, clip that. So all the car wiring's the same. You plug this loom in, and now these are the 2010 fog lights I've got here. Now they're different to the 2005. The 2005 ones are sloped at the front. The 2010 ones, actually the left and right, as you can see, are both the same. Okay, so on this connection, on this loom then, you've got two connectors here, which are for the spotlights. Okay, I'll show you how this goes. Obviously, when you build it up, it'll all be on the car. So you've got two of those there, which are where the fog lights go. So again, no wire cutting, nothing. The 2010 ones fit straight on. And then these are the parking sensors. Again, we've got these on our website. And these just plug in to these front looms. Okay, so these all clip in. Okay, like so. And obviously once you've had the bumper painted, you would clip these into the bumper and then assemble the wiring. But I'll just show you that everything clips together. Okay, and then we've tested that, and that all works. So that's basically your front end wiring. And then you've obviously got the headlight. So this is the 2010 headlight with the LEDs in there, the DRLs. And then this one just plugs into the standard 2005 connector. Now there is a bit more to the headlight wiring. We've put resistors in the rear lights, which seems to fix the flashing problem. But we just need to look at the AFS, but we'll cover that in a separate video. But that's nominally all the front wiring done now on our conversion. So the next videos will focus more on the bolting everything together mechanically.